Yes, my mother. 6.
Hindi mo naman ako nanay. 2002 ka? Are you ready, Precious? Are you sure you're ready to answer the questions?
Yes.
Okay. You will answer them honestly, okay?
Yes.
Without lying. We will do this or that challenge again. Yesterday, Precious asked me some questions. Now,
I'm gonna answer his question.
yeah, we'll ask some questions to Precious and she will answer them. First question is, what is your full name?
Precious Carmen P.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean Precious Carmen Baguio Dabu.
Okay. How old are you now? Kailan yung birthday mo?
February 12,
20?
2002.
2002 ka?
Yeah. And then 2012.
Eh, di magka-age lang tayo kung 2002. 2012. Okay. Next is, what do you prefer? Shoes or slippers?
Sleepers.
Slippers. Why?
Because it's comfortable at home.
Okay. Swimming pool or beach?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
Yeah.
You don't like in the beach?
Yes.
Dagat? Ayaw mo?
No.
Bakit?
Kamay maano ako ng jellyfish.
Jellyfish! Okay. Gusto niya daw ng swimming pool. Next is fruits or vegetables?
Fruits! Because my favorite fruit is in there.
What is your favorite fruit then?
Grapes!
Grapes. Here. Next. Summer or winter?
Summer or winter?
Yeah. Do you like it when it's cold?
Yes.
Cold season. Okay.
Yes.
Soda or juice?
Juice.
Juice or water?
Juice.
Hala ka, sasambong ito sa mami mo. Ayaw mo ng water. Water or water?
Water.
Okay, water.
Nagiging naman ako ng water lagi.
Yeah, that's good for your health. Next, text or call?
Call. So I can see each other.
You can see your kausap through calls and you can hear their voice. New phone or new clothes?
New phone.
New phone.
Because I have a lot of clothes now.
Okay. Laptop or tablet?
Tablet. I don't like computers because I need to press.
Type. Like that.
Like a piano.
Ayaw mo yun? Like a piano. Next.
No.
Black or white?
White.
Why white?
Because we are wearing white.
Okay. Okay. White. Me, my favorite color is black.
My favorite color is pink.
Okay.
Black pink.
Black pink. Curly hair or straight hair?
Straight hair.
Ayaw mo ng curly hair?
Good.
Good daw. Okay. Pizza or pasta?
Pizza or pasta? Pizza!
Dress or skirt?
Dress.
Dresses. You have a lot of dresses.
Yes. For church and for school.
Okay. School uniform. You have a lot of skirts. School uniform. Philippines or other country?
Actually, I like in Korea.
Korea? Why Korea?
Because my father and mother, they are working there
Dati. Okay. What do you prefer? Hot or cold?
hot or cold. I like warm.
Warm. Okay. Warm water. Boiled egg or fried egg?
Boiled egg.
Oh, lagi mong ulam yung boiled egg.
Yes.
Okay. Ice cream or cake?
Ice cream or cake? I like ice cream.
Ice cream. I want a cake.
Hindi ako masyado kumakain ng cake dahil lahat ng mga cake masyado silang sweet.
Wow, yung ice cream ba? Hindi sweet.
Hindi yung mga cake,
Yung icing. Ayaw mo. Anong gusto mong flavor ng ice cream?
chocolate and vanilla.
Ay, yeah. I like vanilla up here. Aircon or fan?
Aircon.
Book or movie?
Movie.
Movie. What's your favorite movie?
Actually, I like Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. You're
Yes.
watching Mickey Mouse.
Yes.
Okay. Sun or moon?
Sun or moon? Actually, nothing.
What do you like?
Earth.
Earth? Sun or moon nga yung tanong eh. Ano? Sun or moon?
Earth.
Earth? Okay.
Because
Next.
we live in Earth.
You don't want to go to the moon?
Because there is alien.
Aliens. Oh, do you believe in aliens?
Actually, not.
No.
I don't know.
They are fake. But we don't know. Reading, writing, or coloring? Paano? Coloring. Last four. Sugar or spice? Matamis o maanghang?
Just normal.
Just normal.
Yes.
Not sweet, not spicy. Normal.
Just like normal.
Okay. Day or night?
Day or night?
Daytime or nighttime?
Night. Day.
Ano? Tagal!
Same.
Same, both.
Yes. Because I like to sleep and I like to play.
Okay. Beauty, you are beautiful, or you are brainy, like intelligent?
Like smart.
Yeah, like smart. Beauty or brain?
I need my brain.
Yes.
I need my brain.
Yes, because
I am smart.
you are smart.
I am a smart kid.
Sino nagsabi?
Me.
Akala ko yung teacher mo.
Me.
Paano mo nasabing smart ka?
Because.
Because
I am smart.
like you are in high honors.
Not like that. Minsan mababa yung grades.
Dahil
Di ako nakikinig kay teacher ko. Kaya di ko alam ng gagawin ko.
Dapat lagi kang makinig.
Ikaw,
Wala akong honor.
ako meron lagi.
Oh, Congrats. Here.
Appear.
Last question.
Last, ang bilis naman.
Yeah. Your mom or your dad?
Your mom or my father? Both.
No, just one.
Actually,
Me? Yourself?
Not. Lord.
Si Lord?
Yes, he will gonna say, you must love your parents.
Tama! Both of them, right?
Ah.
Yeah. Perfect. Here's a special question. Who is your crush? Kala mo? Who is your crush? Bulong mo lang, sige.
Nothing.
Only the first. Only the first name. Only the first name.
Nothing.
Meron.
All the boys is ugly.
All the boys are ugly. Okay. Dali na.
Nothing nga.
Meron. Oh, who is your, ano na lang, who is your best friend?
Snowman.
Who is Snow?
Snow Lela.
Ano yan? Snow Bella?
Yeah,
Sino yan?
my classmate and si Sabrine. Minsan tinatawag ko si Snow Bella na Snowman.
Alam ba nila na best friend mo sila?
Yes.
Uy, kahit tanungin ko sila.
Oo, ako nga laging nang dilibre sa kanila minsan.
Wow! Ang yaman mo naman.
Hindi man.
Hindi man.
Naghihipon lang ako.
Naghihipon? Who is your crush? Meron. Ito, sino gusto mo? Si Ate Janelle or si Prince?
Both.
Ah.
Because they are my
Siblings, right?
siblings.
Yes.
This is my motto. 6.
Hindi mo naman ako nanay. This is my mother. Okay. Doon na natapos yung vlog natin. This or that challenge. Thank you for watching this video. Say bye-bye to them. Bye!
Goodbye.
Bye!